Justin Park. I'm from Encinitas, California. We're out here at Betty, Nevada for the SNORE 250 race. We got my 2 co-pilots with me and they did an awesome job today. Go ahead and introduce yourselves.
Jason Lira from Chula Vista. First time co-piloting. Crazy. Definitely a learning experience. Planning to do it again. Good day, good day. We had a couple issues at on the first lap, but got them resolved real quick. Hopped on and pretty much clean lap after that.
I started it off. My name's Rick. I'm Rick Whitmire. I'm from San Diego, California. I started off the lap and it was pretty fun. Yeah, I haven't ever really done that many miles. That was good.
Yeah, first lap was a great challenge to kind of feel out the truck. It started raining this morning before we even started. It's always tough when it rains at a race. You never know what's going to happen. Fast, slow, muddy, car stopping, electrical problems. But we managed to prep the truck really well with these guys, and we had no problems with the electrical system. Ran great all day. We had one little issue where we hit a big rock coming down a big grade. It was kind of hard to see on the passenger side. Towed us out a little bit, but we made it to the pits and towed it back in. Wound up coming home for the win this weekend. Woo! Good job, guys. Baby. Number 1. Woo! Let's do it again.